How to turn off news on Microsoft Edge new tab page. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn it off or customize what appears on your new tab page. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Then, open a new tab. You'll see the news feed displayed below the search bar. Now, look at the settings or gear icon in the top right corner of the new tab page and click on it. A menu with different customization options will appear. Look for the Show Feed option. If you want to completely remove the news feed, turn Show Feed off. The news feed will immediately disappear from your new tab page, giving you a cleaner and less distracting layout. If you don't want to remove the news completely, you may also see options such as Partial View or Headings. Choose Partial View to display less content, or select Headings to show only the main headlines. Choose the option that works best for you. And that's it. You've successfully customized or turned off the newsfeed on the Microsoft Edge new tab page. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful Microsoft Edge tutorials.